The Morocco Bolts needed 3 extra periods, but they get the job done and defeat the Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters in their quarterfinal matchup in the PBA Commissioner's Cup. The 5th-seeded Bolts forced a sudden death after escaping with the W. What a game! 116-107. That man, Bong Quinto, shocking everybody in the Phil Sports Arena, scoring 7 points in the third overtime to lead Meralco's 13-4 run. The former Letran Knight made the three-pointer that eventually secured the Bolts the victory. He was also responsible for the game-tying basket in the second OT. Quinto finishing the game with 19 points and 4 assists. Aaron Black and Elaine Maliksi scoring 18 apiece, while import Sean Miller took care of the boards with 20 rebounds to go along with 18 markers. He also fouled out in the game. Meralco and Phoenix will go at it one last time this conference in the do or die. That game will be on Sunday. The winner will advance to the semifinals. Whew, what a game. And joining us tonight to go all out on this story are two responsible men for extending the series. Meralco Bolts, Bong Quinto and Elaine Maliksi. Bong is joining us on the phone. There's Elaine joining us via Zoom. Lane, magandang gabi. Kung nakikita ko, na kita. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dre, and good evening sa lahat ng viewers.
Maraming salamat sa pag-o right after the game. Thank you. Si Bong din nandyan. We will try Bong Quinto. Bong, naririnig mo ako. Good evening. Congratulations.
Hi, Kuya Andre. Good evening at sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Thank you.
Congratulations sa Meralco. Grabe yung larong yun. There were times wherein, mukhang Phoenix na to. And then, biglang eto kayo. Tapos there were also times na, Meralco, it was just a fun game to watch in triple overtime. May mga panahon ba, Bong, tanungin kita, may mga times ba? Kasi parang you really stepped up and talagang hindi atin to. Pero may time ba dun sa larong yun na naisip mong, mukhang tanggal na kami this conference, ha?
Actually, gaya ng sabi ng coach namin, si Coach Nenad, hanggat hindi tumutunog yung final buzzer, wag mong i-assume na kung sino mananalo as long as may oras pa. So, katulad nun, ako talaga yung nagpasab kay Elaine eh. Kumbaga, nagpa-out ako, lamang sila, alam ko magiging lamang nila 3 points. So, inisip ko, kailangan namin ng 3 points. So, yung tira ni Nu, nung huli, nung na-shoot siya, sabi ko, feeling ko, binibigay talaga sa amin ni Lord yung game eh. Kasi hindi na dapat ma-shoot yung tira ni Nu kasi wala nang oras na kay Aaron yung bola. So yun nga, sign lang siguro yung mga yun, yung mga binigyan niya kami ng 3 chance para makuha yung panalo. Which is yun nga, tinrabaho talaga namin and salamat sa Diyos, nakuha namin yung panalo.
Lane, you've been in so many big games, Lane, championship games. Pero ano masasabi mo tungkol sa larong ito? Triple overtime para mabuhay kayo. There was even a time nung second overtime na miss si Jonathan Williams, import ng Phoenix, yung 2 free throw. And then akala ko nga, diretso na ni New, tas nandun ka sa kanan niya, then he went to A, pero wala yung teardrop, and then going into third overtime, and then Bong Quinto stepping up. Pero ano masasabi mo dito sa larong ito kung saan it could have gone either way. Pwedeng tapos na tong series na to, Phoenix could have won, pero ito kayo forcing sudden death.
Actually, it's my first time to play in a triple overtime game. It's
Talaga?
really grueling, nakakapagod talaga. And one thing in my mind is we play every possession lang na kung ano lang yung nasa moment na nandyan, yun lang yung namin, yung focus namin. Wag namin isipin yung outcome, wag namin isipin yung kung ano mangyayari sa game. Basta isipin namin, every possession, it's important. So, we're trailing the whole game and luckily, it's a grind out game and all of us, parang aggressive kami and we never give up until na, yun, nakuha namin yung momentum, nakuha namin yung play and confidence ng bawat isa, yun. And luckily, we end up with a W.
Napakalaking win yun. And sabi ko nga, it will change this series because syempre, obviously, momentum is on your side. Kumpiyansa nyo, napakataas. Bong, sabi ko nga kanina, ganda nung pinakita mo, 19 points. Pero, of course, sina New, ganda nung pinakita. Elaine, syempre, ikaw 7 ka in the third overtime. Tapos yun nga, sige, pwede nga na itaas yan. Pinag-usapan na natin si Newsam, si Elaine. Yan si Aaron Black. Napakaganda ng laro mo. Pero saan mo hinila yung kumpiyansa? Kinausap ka ba ni Coach Nena? Dahil ang ganda ng mga pinakita mo against Blackwater, against Terra Firma. Pero dito sa larong ito specifically, na alam naman natin magko-collapse ang depensa nila kay New, sa inyong import, tapos kay Lane. Pero ikaw, saan mo hinila? Lalo na dun sa huling overtime, Bong.
Yun nga, gaya ng sabi ko kay Coach Nenad kahapon tsaka kay Coach Luigi. Lahat ng experience na nakuha namin from Qatar, EASL, sa lahat ng liga na sinalian namin para maka-earn kami ng alam mo yun, ng experience. Sabi ko kay Coach, ibigay na namin lahat bukas, which is ngayon na gagawin namin lahat ng makakaya namin para kung ano man yung maging resulta ng game, wala kaming pagsisisihan. Kasi kung katawan lang talaga, feeling ko pagod na kami, pero yung heart namin, ayaw pa namin magbakasyon eh. So sabi ko kay Coach Luigi, Coach, kung anong kaya kong matulong sa team, gagawin ko lahat. 100%, gaya ng sabi ni Alain, every practice, pinupush namin lahat, bawat isa sa amin, para kahit sinong ipasok nila, Coach, first group man yan, second group man yan, third group man yan, lahat kami ready to play. Sa ngayon kasi hindi ko nakikita yung team namin na parang kumbaga nagkakanya-kanya eh. So, iisa kami, isa yung goal namin from veterans, sa rookie namin, sa lahat kami, experience yung kailangan namin dalhin kasi kay Coach Norman, di ba, lagi kaming nakapasok ng semis, minsan nagpa-finals pa kami. So, siguro yung experience, yung mag-enjoy kami sa game para hindi kami masyadong ma-pressure. So, yun siguro yung yung play as a team, gaya ng sabi na Lane, kung every possession, wag namin sayangin yung opportunity na meron kami ngayon.
Len, nakita mo naman yung kumpiyansa ni Bong sa huling overtime. Ano masasabi mo sa ginawa ni Bong Quinto ngayon?
Ako kumpiyansa din ako kay Bong eh. So ever since nag-start kami na bagong sistema on tour, I'm very confident na talagang kaya ni Bong maglaro eh. Kaya nga minomotivate ko siya na, sige lang Bong, laruin mo lang yung game mo. Tapos discard lang. Kasi si Bong, playmaker eh. He can score, he can pass. Diba? Marunong, kaya niya dumepensa. So talagang ako tiwala ako kay Bong na kaya niya. And tingin ko din, every single player sa Meralco, we trust each other and we give each other the confidence to do it. Kasi ako din, minomotivate ko si New. Sabi ko, New, sabi ko, pag itira mo na, sabi ko, i-pull up mo na. So, nung dalawang crucial possession, one-on-one na niya, naka-mismatch na sa kanya yung depensa, sabi ko, that's why I'm talking about New. Tapos na-make it, na-convert niya yung 2 pull-ups niya. So, ayun, dun kami lumayo din.
Pati pansin ko din, Lane, pansin ko din na kung sino yung, with all due respect kay Tyler Tio, pero kung sino yung binabantayan ni Tio, yun ba talaga pinag-usapan nyo? Kung sino yung binabantayan ni Tyler, ina-ISO nyo eh. Kunyari nung nasa'yo, binigay sa'yo. Tapos nung binabantayan niya si Bong, ganun din. Nung binabantayan si New, ganun ba yung pinag-usapan nyo?
We just saw the advantage sa lineup namin against them. So we just capitalized on the advantage. And minsan ang ganda din kasi ng depensa ng Phoenix. So minsan gumagawa na lang kami ng basketball play to create an advantage. So ayun, nakita namin yung advantage namin kung saan kami mas makakadali ng score. And the whole game we're really struggling, and then nung fourth and nung overtime, ayun, doon namin nakita kung saan kami makakakuha ng mas madaling points.
So heto na, nawala na yung twice to beat advantage ng Phoenix, Bong at Alain. Gaano kayo kakumpiyansa heading into this sudden death against Phoenix sa linggo? Para sa inyong dalawa, tapos na ba to? Meralco na to, atin na tong series na to, nakakuha na natin sila. Anong diskarte? Lane, ikaw mauna, tapos si Bong, tatanungin ko din nun.
For me as a veteran, sabi ko lang talaga sa sarili ko and sa kanila gusto ko sabihin, itong playoffs, it's just the same game. It's just playing the same game like the eliminations. Para lang sa akin, you need extra focus and extra hard work coming into this game. Kumbaga parang, pares lang naman basketball game yan eh. Pero yung focus at saka yung diskarte, nasa sa players na din yan kung gusto niya talagang manalo. Eh, hindi ko masabi we're confident kasi we won for this game, but it's just half the battle na napanalunan namin, no? So, it's another game, do or die game. So, focus lang kami in every possession. Yun lang.
Thank you, Lane. Bong, ikaw, pagkatapos ng
Yan.
ganda ng pinakita mo, inyo na ba tong series na to?
Siguro malaking factor yung makapagpahinga kami ngayon kasi sa tatlong overtime hindi biro yung So siguro yung mentally prepared kami, at the same time kailangan yung katawan namin talaga makapagpahinga kami kasi Sunday pa yung game. So salamat kay Coach Luigi, Coach Nenad, may break kami tomorrow. Pero yun nga, hindi dun matatapos kasi napakalaking opportunity yung binigay sa amin. So depende na lang sa amin, mga players, sa coaches, sa management, kung igagrab namin yung opportunity. Pero ako, kumpiyansa naman ako na makukuha namin yung panalo basta maglaro kami as a team and then we support each other, kumpiyansa sa isa't isa. Sa tingin ko, malaki yung chance. Kasi nakuha na namin yung isa eh. So malaki yung chance na makuha namin yung pangalawa basta maglaro kami as a team.
Bigat no? Step back, Bong Quinto. Ayan binabantayan ni Mocon. Step back, NCAA lang eh. Letran San Beta. Step back, Bong Quinto for 3 for the win. Bong, congratulations. Di pa tapos. Good luck sa Sunday. Maraming salamat, Lane. Ingat ka. On your way home, thank you again for saying yes for this interview here on Sports Desk. Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. Congratulations and good luck on Sunday. That was Bong Quinto and Alain Maliksi of the Meralco Bolts prevailing over the Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters in triple overtime.